Hello world and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I wanted to come on today and create a pop of color that would be appropriate to wear during the summer, maybe even during spring, in all honesty. And I live in Florida, so pretty much any time here in Florida it's considered summer and springish to us. So I wanted to get on here and make a pop of color video. This is a collaboration with my best friend, Simple Charm Beauty. Recently has changed her name to Simple Charm Living. So I will leave her down below on the description, and I'll also try to leave the video that we are, collaborating together on up here. She is and has started kind of venturing into the green beauty world, which makes my heart happy, but she's not completely green beauty. Her channel is a lot about home life as well as plants and just her everyday life. So you'll get makeup, like home stuff, plants, like everything that she embodies in her living, you'll get that over there. So my channel is mainly for green beauty and lifestyle, and hers is her lifestyle, but it's not 100% green beauty. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, but definitely check her out. And if you are coming from her channel, thank you so much for jumping on over here. I really appreciate it, and I am so happy that you have come to check out my channel. All right, we're gonna get right into it, and I'm really excited about this product. Prisma palette is a cruelty-free vegan formula that has some of the most beautiful colors that a lot of the green beauty world doesn't have in their palettes. My voice cracked there. So I haven't yet filled in the rest of this Z palette, but I wanted to test out the ones that I have, and because this is a pop of color, I'm going to go in with this yellow. I'm thinking about making a wing and then just connecting it a little lower down here, just kind of making it a little bit edgy yet simple. And so I'm literally just going to play with it and see what comes from the shades that I put on my eyes. Any ordinary brush. Ooh, it's important to know, guys, it does have quite a bit of fallout. I'm not sure you guys can see that, but there is quite a bit of fallout. It'll be interesting to see how it sits on the lids, if there's any fallout. Doesn't seem like there was fallout on my lids once I picked up the shadow, but there is fallout on the product itself in the palette, but it doesn't seem to be falling all over my face once it's pat in. So I'm just going to continue to do that. I'm just going to wash this cream shadow a little bit higher as well. And then I'm going to take an angled brush. This is by Luxie. It's their 215 small angle brush, and I am going to go in with that beautiful mustard color, and hello. I'm going to make a wing, and then I'm going to make a lower wing going in, I think. We're going to play with it. Okay. This shade is definitely pulling a little darker than it is vibrant, like yellow. But it's beautiful. I've never had a yellow in my collection, and mainly because I've always thought, like, why would I use yellow? I'm more of a neutral kind of girl where I just go in with the brown all over my crease and I call it a day. But I'm just gotta say, recently I've been just wanting pops of color on my face, like non-stop. But there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's something that was fun and, in all honesty, really light, really beautiful, but still wearable for every day, and I absolutely love it. I hope that you guys loved it. I just got in front of the camera and I started playing with color, and I love these two combined. I will link everything down below that I used on my base and also on my eyes. I did go in with Fit Glow Beauty on my eyes. I am doing a separate mascara review on this little wonderful little thing, and I will have that on a separate video, so look forward to this mascara being reviewed shortly. But anyway guys, I hope that you did enjoy. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you are brand new to my channel, you came over from Desi's, or you just stumbled upon this channel and you loved this video, then definitely click that subscribe button to become a part of our family. But alright guys, God bless you, God bless your face, and I hope that you have a wonderful one. Bye guys!